Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the FIFA 22 black screen problem. So if you are facing the black screen issue in FIFA 22 on your Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will show you how to fix it. You have to follow the steps as I am showing in this video, and if you are new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Now let's watch complete video, follow the steps and learn it.